Hi students, so this is our fourth class. Let us see example 3.4, page number 90. Now we see the question. In an inter-school athletic meet with 24 individual events securing a total of 56 points, a first place secures 5 points, a second place secures 3 points, and a third place secures 1 point. Having as many third place finishers as first and second place finishers, that is, the number of third place finishers is equal to number of first place and second place finishers. Find how many athletes finished in each place. Now we see the solution. Let the number of first, second and third place finishers be x, y and z respectively. So respectively means, so we have to take the same order, that is number of first place finishers be x, number of second place finishers be y and number of third place finishers be z. Given total number of events is equal to 24, which is given in the question, and the total number of points is equal to 56. Now we can form the linear equations in 3 variables according to the given question. Now we go through the question once again. So see the question, what is given? So the individual events is 24, total number of individual events is 24, and total number of points is 56. So what is the meaning of it? So if the sum of number of first, second and third finishers be 24, so that's why we write x plus y plus z is equal to 24, it is to be equation 1. Then second equation, 5x plus 3y plus z is equal to 56, let it to be equation 2. How it comes? Once again go through the question. Here given a first place secures 5 points, a second place secures 3 points and a third place secures 1 point. So see here total 56 points. So first place secures 5 points. We put first place as 6 x, so which means 5 into x, and a second place secures 3 points, means second place we put already we put second place as y, so this is 3y, and a third place secures 1 point, we put third place as z, it secures 1 point. So the total of these points is 56 points, that is first place secures 5 points, that is 5x and 3y and z. The sum of these 3 points is 56, that is 5x plus 3y plus 1z, so no need to write 1 plus z is equal to 56. That's why I write 5x plus 3y plus z is equal to 56, let it to be equation 2. Then third equation, x plus y is equal to z. How it comes? Again we go through the question. Having as many third place finishers as first and second place finishers. What is the meaning of it? The number of third place finishers is equal to the sum of first and second place finishers. So third place finishers we put it as z, we put third place finishers as z and first place finishers as x and second place finishers as y. So z is equal to x plus y. That's why I write the third equation x plus y is equal to z. Now substitute equation 3 in 1 we get. I write once again the first equation, x plus y plus z is equal to 24. Instead of x plus y, I write z, because, so see the equation 3, x plus y is equal to z. I substitute z instead of x plus y. So z plus z is equal to 24. So z plus z is 2z is equal to 24. So if you simplify this, 2 ones are 2, 2 2s are 24. So what is remaining? What we get? Z is equal to 12. Z is equal to 12. We get the value for z. Now substitute z is equal to 12 in equation 2 and 3 we get. So 2 implies, I write the second equation, 5x plus 3y plus z is equal to 56. 5x plus 3y, instead of z I write 12 here, is equal to 56. 5x plus 3y, then transform 12 to this side, what happens? Positive becomes negative. 56 plus 12 becomes minus 12. 56 minus 12 is 44. So that is 5x plus 3y is equal to 44. We get the equation 4. So let it to be equation 4. Now from equation 3, that is 3 implies x plus y is equal to z, x plus y is equal to 12. So instead of z, I write 12 here, let it to be equation 5. Now we have to solve these two equations 4 and 5 to get value x and y. Already we got a value for z. So now we have to find the value for x and y. So we have to solve equation 4 and equation 5. 4 implies, I write the fourth equation as it is. That is 5x plus 3y is equal to 44. Then to eliminate, we have to multiply equation 5 by 3, because when we eliminate the variables, if the variables have same coefficients, then only it is possible to eliminate the variable. That's why. So here the coefficient of y is 3. So that's why I multiply equation 5 by 3, we get. So multiply each and every term by 3. So 3 into x, 3x, plus 3 into y, 3y is equal to 3 into 12. See the fifth equation, 3 into 12 is 36. Now we have to subtract to eliminate this, to eliminate the variable y. So we have to subtract. So if you subtract, remember, whenever you subtract the equation, so first you have to change the sign. So first that is a positive into negative, negative into positive. So here all the terms are positive, so I change as negative. So remember the new sign, forget the old sign. So now simplify, 5x minus 3x is 2x, plus 3y minus 3y become cancel. Then 44 minus 36 is equal to 8. We get 2x is equal to 8. If you simplify, what we get? 2 ones are 2, 2 fours are 8. So therefore we get the value x is equal to 4. Now substitute the value x is equal to 4 in equation 5 we get. So fifth equation, I write fifth equation, x plus y is equal to 12. Instead of x, I write 4. 4 plus y is equal to 12. Y is equal to 12 plus 4 becomes minus 4. So 12 minus 4 is 8. We get the value for y, that is y is equal to 8. Now we conclude the question, conclude the problem. Number of first place finishers is equal to x, that is equal to 4. Number of second place finishers is equal to y, is equal to 8. Number of third place finishers is equal to Z, that is equal to 12. So this is the answer. Now we see the example exercise question 3.1, first question. Sorry, rest here. We shall continue next class because the video becomes lengthy. So I stop here. We shall continue next class. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy the video, like, comment and share. Goodbye.